Good day, everyone. This is Patrick from EasyFX Code Training System, and it is Saturday, the 3rd of April, 2021. And this is the weekly Ichimoku analysis for the euro and the cable for the first week of April. Let's begin with the euro on the weekly chart. Price is still above the cloud. However, it has been drifting lower since the start of the year and has now reached and bounced off the weekly 55 EMA and sitting right at the 78.6 retracement of this swing move up. It is also sitting on the longer term 38 fib retracement area after falling and testing the 50 fib longer term fib retracement as well. There could be further bearish momentum, but it's likely to consolidate and recover somewhat from this support level before it could fall further to retest this previous swing low, right at the low of October, where it started the significant move up. And this will provide a significant support area where it's at the top of the Kumo. So if it does pull back further into or retrace back into this swing low area, there could be a significant bounce from here. But for now, this could just be a temporary pullback and consolidation, and we'll see whether it can hold up for the rest of the week. And this 62 fib should provide a key resistance if it does clear above the 118 again. All right. Let's also take a look at the daily time frame. Where it's dipped lower into this support area before managed to pause and climb back up on Thursday before closing on a quiet week on a Good Friday. So on Monday, it's still a holiday in Europe and the UK. So there could be limited movement. And if it does climb back up, that's the resistance zone with the daily 200 EMA as well. And that's the daily Tenkan Sen. All right, that's no major news for the Eurozone as well. So it could be a quiet start to the month. All right, let's move on to the cable on the weekly time frame. And after peaking for the year thus far, just above 142, it has pull back and retrace all the way back to the 50 fib retracement area. Excuse me. This 50 fib retracement area, and after bouncing off the previous week, last week, it could not reach that level, but managed to maintain and consolidate within the previous week's range in Urami. And it did close bullish for the week, so there could be further pullback up perhaps to the weekly Tenkan Sen. And for the moment, there's strong support at the 50-fib area at 136.65. So if it does break down later on in the next couple of weeks, it's definitely a strong support area. With the support zone at the 62 fib and also the rising Kijun Sen on a weekly time frame, and price is definitely well above the Kumo at this time on the weekly. Let's also take a look on the daily time frame, and it is it's still trading inside the daily Kumo, and it's trying to struggle to climb out of this Kumo on the upper region of the Kumo here, but it's blocked at the moment by the daily Kijun as well for last week. And after finding support in the middle of the cloud and climb up on Wednesday and Thursday, but then all things turned quiet on Friday. So it needs to move out of this Kumo before it can start to trend again, either climb back up above and continue on the weekly time frame, or if it breaks down, then there could be further consolidation and retracement on the weekly time frame. All right. This week, there's also no major news for the UK, and they are also on holiday on Monday. So the US dollar index has also reached a key resistance area. So there could be a pause in the recovery, and we'll see how the majors take advantage and react to that as well. All right. So meanwhile, do check out my other videos on the other major pairs and spot gold and dollar yen as well. Have a safe week and have a good trading week, and cheers for now.